friends of Studio 56. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little brochure or booklet of your sketches that you can print off at home and give away like a business card. Okay, let's get started. This is a fun little project and popular with urban sketchers, and I first encountered these little booklets at an urban sketchers symposium. With very little effort, you can use this template for yourself and print some of these brochures off at home at a low cost. Later, if you want to refresh the booklet, you can just switch up the images. To complete this project, you will need a printer, some 8.5 by 11 paper, 8 images, a box cutter, and a straight edge such as a steel ruler. The first step is to decide which 8 images you would like to use in your booklet. Put them in a file folder on your computer in advance. Because each of the pages in this booklet is rectangular, as you can see, you're going to want to work with sketches that are oriented in this way, in a portrait orientation up and down. But if your sketches are only landscape sketches, as a lot of mine are, you'll see that you can still use them. We'll just stretch them and cut off, do a bit of cropping. The first step is to download the Photoshop template that you will find in the comments below this video. So you download the template and open it, and when you do, you'll see 8 white frames that you can fill with the images you've already selected. So the first step is to click on a layer, then go up into the menu bar at the top and click on File, and scroll down to Place Embedded. Then click on the image you want to use and click Place. Then drag, resize, and rotate the image to fit in the layer you have selected. So if like this image is wider than the frame, it will crop off the excess on either side. And that's okay. But maybe you have vertically oriented sketches that would work better. So just do that, go through one by one, click on a layer, go up to File, scroll down to Place Embedded, and one by one choose an image to go in each of the boxes, each of the frames, and then drag, resize, and rotate them to fit into the layer that you selected. And each one of the images needs to be with the bottom of the image is on the outside edge of this page, and the top of the image is images are lined up with the middle of the page, as you can see. They're all sort of facing outwards. Then you can add text. So if you're using this as a brochure or like a business card, you can add your name, contact information, maybe a website, and just line it up and it will fit into the frame. And when you're finished, placing all the images where they belong on your template, the next thing is to save your images as a PSD file, and you'll be able to reuse this template down the road when you want to replace the images. Next, print off your template. It should look something like that. And then we're going to fold the piece of paper with a nice, perfect, crisp fold down the middle, lengthwise and going across. And then we're going to make a fold in between each of the images, nice and crisp, so that you have a fold around each one of the images. That's going to look something like that. And then we're going to take a straight edge and we're going to make a slit going from, as you can see in this red line, right across the middle, and then we're going to do some ninja folding. We're going to fold it in half lengthwise, grab the 2 ends, and gently push them together like that, and there you go. You've now made a little brochure that you can use like a business card. Hey YouTubers, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just press the little red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen right here. Go ahead, I'll wait. There you go. Thank you.